Well, howdy doing? I thought I might give you all another song because I know you like that song so much. So let's try a little bit of Meow Hour. Meow. Alright. Here we go. You ready, everybody? Clip your fingers out, yeah. I'm gonna wait till the meow hour. That's when my love comes tumbling down. I'm gonna wait till the meow hour when there's no one else around. I'm gonna take you and hold you, oh yeah, and do all those things I told you in the midnight hour. Oh yeah. Here we go, everybody. I'm gonna wait till the stars above and see that twinkle in your eyes, like my green eyes. I'm gonna wait till the midnight hour, just when my love begins to shine. Oh yeah, you're the only kitty cat I know, and I really, really love your show. Oh baby, tonight, meow. Oh yeah, I can't wait till the meow hour. Well, everybody, I hope you like my song. I really hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch up with you soon. Don't forget, Beano. Beano's the name, and singing's my game.